Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you guys how to create a subdomain website. I'm using Bluehost hosting. Okay, so how to create a subdomain. So we are going to start creating our subdomain. You're gonna click on domain here. Okay, and you will come down here, you click subdomain, and we are going to enter our subdomain name. So I'm gonna call it GN. Okay, you click create. My subdomain have been created. So this is how you create a subdomain on any website. It's work in the same way. So this is the GN is my subdomain name. This is my subdomain name, and this side is my main domain. Okay, so this is how you create a subdomain.